tree removal services here. www.atreesurgeon.com here, showing you the vegetable upgrade. Just a few that I just picked out of the garden. We're going to make it right. Some fajitas here. And everything else. There's one onion. I got like 50 of those bad boys. Tomatoes are super ripe. I got Captain Cook's, bell peppers, beef steaks, jalapenos. Alright. Make sure you contact us for all your tree service needs. And this is how to, second part, how to grow. 2 months later, not even. I think it was a month and like a week. Alright, take care. Take notes. Later.